Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Reno8 Lite, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first, let's just open the settings application and then scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see notification volume panel. Now just to mute your device notifications, you should slide this dot to the left side, and by this way we can see that the notifications they are muted. Also, we can do it by the second way. Just press up or down volume button, then click here to the three dots. You'll see the same notification volume panel, and by the same way slide to the left side this volume panel, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.